So Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 range is coming alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 in the coming days. It is all we know so far about the Galaxy Tab S9 range. First and foremost thing, price. According to Sam Insider, the regular Wi-Fi variant of the Tab S9 will start at €929, but it will come in the configuration of 828GB. If you go for the 12 to 56, then it will cost you €1,049. And the same configuration for the Tab S9 Plus will actually cost you €1,149, about €100 more. The Ultra model will actually cost you €1,349. Now, if you don't know, the Galaxy Tab SE actually started at €769, while the other two started at €999 and €1,220 respectively. So we are kind of seeing about €100 to €150 price hike. So the same thing can be expected for the US market as well. As for the design though, we are not seeing that big of a difference because the tabs will actually look identical to the past year's model. The bezels are not shrinking at all, none of these things happening. Even the notch is staying the same on the Ultra model, and the Ultra model bezels are already so small, so there is that. And the dimension will also staying the same, with same 4-speaker, dual rear cameras, everything. Except the rear camera housing is a little different, kind of like the S23 series or even the A54. All of them will also have the same kind of refresh rate as the current models. Now for the cameras, the Tab S9 Ultra will actually have 13MP main camera, 8MP ultra-wide-angle camera. And again, it will include the same camera setup in the front, 12MP ultra-wide-angle and a 12MP just a normal selfie camera. And the battery will be almost the same, 11,200 mAh battery. The RAM will still be 12GB, there is no changes in it. You will get eSIM capabilities this time in all the Tab S9 series, so that's one big thing. The biggest upgrade is in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 department. That's gonna be a massively powerful one. We have already seen the Geekbench listings, so there is nothing to doubt about it. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy will perform even better than it did inside the S23 series, maybe because software optimization or better cooling system. Now, there is also Tab S9 FE models coming, but they may not launch with the S9 series. They will probably gonna come to the market alongside the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition because that makes sense. All of them are Fan Edition models, so definitely it should come at that time. Now, one thing though, the Tab S9 series, all of them will include IP67 except the Ultra model, which according to Ice Universe might come with IP68. So if that matters to you, then it's really, yeah, that's coming because iPads don't really have that. So it will be great for Samsung tablets. The regular model will actually, according to Galaxy Club, will come with 8,160 mAh battery, about 400 more than its past year's model. And yes, all of them will also come with the S Pen support. There is no changes in it. So there is that. The Ultra model is actually coming with 128, 256 and 512GB variants. The Standard and the Plus model is actually going to come in only 128GB and 256GB. The Fan Edition models will also come with the same kind of storages, 128, 256, but 6GB and 8GB of RAM. Plus, it will be powered by the Exynos 1380 chipset, not Snapdragon chips. So there is that. So yeah, that's probably it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about the Tab S9 series and from which tablet you're upgrading to it? And yes, if you want, you can get some crazy cool wallpapers up on my website. A link down below. Until the next one, bye and take care.